When asked to prove that root n is not a rational number, here we will start with the assumption that root n is a rational number. That means we will equate it to p by q, where p and q do not have any common factor. We will square it on both sides and bring it to an equation form. Here we find that n is a factor of p square, that means it is also a factor of p, right? Let us mark it as equation 1. Now let us assume that this p is equal to some n into m. If we square it on both sides, we find again p square here, but we know p square is equal to nq square, that is what we got. We will substitute that here, and after some cancellation and readjustment, we find q square is equal to nm square here. That means n is also a factor of q square. Here we get to understand that n is also a factor of q and n is also a factor of p. But this contradicts our statement that p and q have no common factor. That means root n is not a rational